Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone restarting automatically after the latest iOS update. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin and first open up settings. Then get into General, iPhone storage. Right here you should wait for some time until it calculating your storage data. And right here you should check if you are not ran out of free space. If you got too low free space at your iPhone storage, just remove some files to free up some space, because in some cases that may cause the problem with automatically restarting your device. After that you may try the next one. Just get into settings and then tap on battery. On battery, get into battery health and charging, and right here you should check your actual battery health. Right here just note the maximum capacity on my device, it's 94%. This is a measure of battery capacity relative to when it was new. Too low capacity may result in fewer hours of usage between charges, and also it may cause a problem with automatically restarting your device. So if you got too low maximum capacity in percentage, you should just replace your battery, and that may fix your problem. If everything is fine with your battery, you should go back to the settings, then get into General again and hit Add Software Update. Right here you should check if you got no latest iOS updates. So if you got right here some updates, just hit Add Download and Install button to get the latest iOS update. Once you did that, and if it doesn't help, you may try the next solution. Just get into General again, then scroll down to the very bottom and hit Add Shutdown. Then move that slider right here to the very right position to turn your device off. Then wait for some time, about 1 minute, and then hold down your power button to turn on your device. After that, you can write down in the comments below if it helps you or not. Also, I recommend you to check out my other iPhone tutorials. You can easily find that playlist in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.